Let us start with the kingdom Protista. Before starting with kingdom Protista, let us summarize what we have regarding all kingdoms. We have first is Monera, second is Protista, third Fungi, fourth Plantae, and fifth is Animalia. So first part is that all these kingdoms, they are kept under eukaryote, whereas first one, that is Monera, that is prokaryote. Second part is regarding their nuclear envelope. Nuclear envelope is present in all except the first one. Whereas the next character is cell wall. Cell wall is absent. This is important point. Absent in Animalia and present almost in all. Whereas their constituent of the cell wall is different. Here it is without cellulose, it is with cellulose, it is with chitin, and it is present in some where it is made up of cellulose. Then third criteria is mode of nutrition. As far as nutrition is concerned, it is having this and this. There are heterotroph, they are also heterotroph, they are autotroph as well as heterotroph. They are also photosynthetic, and they are exclusively the Plantae. They are photosynthetic. So multicellularity is absent in lower forms, whereas as we are going from the lower to higher, the multicellularity is the feature of organisms. Then second part is the difference between the kingdom Monera and Protista. Monera एंड प्रोटिस्टा में जो डिफरेंसेस हैं वो डिफरेंस हम ये कह सकते हैं कि दीज आर द डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन द प्रोकैरियोट एंड यूकैरियोट because they are prokaryotic. It has a prokaryotic character and it has a eukaryotic. So we can say, we can have a look upon here. This is consists of prokaryote and it is a eukaryote. And the rest, the most important feature here are ribosomes are 70s. Here ribosomes are 80s as well as 70s in the organelle. There is a single envelope and there is a double envelope in the organelle. Genetic material is single, double helical nuclear DNA, whereas it is consists of two or more DNA molecules. These are the main difference between the Monera and Protista. Now coming to the Protista. Protista is a kingdom which is present in between the three more kingdom on one side and Monera on another side. It has three types. So there are some exceptions. You are supposed to retain them. Then they are grouped into three. One is animal-like, plant-like, and fungi-like. Plant-like protists are further of three types. We call them Dinoflagellates, diatoms, and euglenoids. DD. The first one is the Dinoflagellates. The Dinoflagellates, see here this picture of Dinoflagellates. It has two flagella. One is transverse and the other is longitudinal flagella. They have certain features which are very important. These features are that is they cause PSP, that is paralytic shellfish poisoning. See here, what is this? Toxins released by such large number may even kill other marine organisms such as fishes. So this is known as paralytic shellfish poisoning. Example is gonilogs. Then they have a different feature of this nuclear envelopes and nucleus persist during the mitosis. Other examples are Serratium, Gymnodium, and Noctiluca. Noctiluca is a night light. So Dinoflagellates को whirling whip भी बोला जाता है. डायनोफ्लैजेलेट बायोल्यूमिनेसेंट, ये ग्लो करते हैं, नाइट रात को चमकते हैं. दे आर आल्सो नोन एज पायरोफाइटा, फायर एल्गी भी बोलते हैं इनको. देन अनदर सेकंड ग्रुप इज क्राइसोफाइट्स. क्राइसोफाइट्स को हम गोल्डन एल्गी भी कहते हैं. इसमें डायटमियस इनका फीचर है कि इनकी जो सेल वॉल है दैट इज मेड अप ऑफ सिलिका. सिलिका की वजह से वो डायटमियस अर्थ बनाते हैं, बिकॉज सिलिका does not decompose easily. They are the chief phytoplankton. Plankton term यहाँ दिया गया. Plankton means which are floating on surface of water. Then third group is we have euglenoids. Euglena एक ऐसा organism है which is intermediate between the plants and the animals, and it has a double mode of nutrition जिसको mixotrophic nutrition बोला जाता है, क्योंकि ये जब इसको हम when we put it under light it behaves like animals, photosynthesis होती है. पहले इसके बारे में देखिए कि इसके दो फ्लैजेला हैं, एक छोटा है और एक बड़ा है. न्यूट्रिशन के बारे में बहुत बार क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं इसके कि इट इज हैविंग द मिक्सोट्रॉपिक टाइप ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन. हाँ, इसमें एक और पिगमेंट होती है एस्टाजेंथिन. एस्टाजेंथिन अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पिगमेंट विच इज नॉट प्रेजेंट एनीवेयर एक्सेप्ट इन सर्टेन क्रस्टेशियंस. ये कंपटीशन के लिए एक इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है. देन हियर वी हैव अ लिस्ट ऑफ दीज प्रोटिस्ट. व्हाट आर देयर करेक्टर्स? क्राइसोफाइट हैं जिनको हम गोल्डन एल्गी कहते हैं. पायरो मैंने बोला, पायरो इज फायर. फायर एल्गी इसलिए बिकॉज दे इमिट लाइट. सार्कोडेंस जिसमें अमीबा आता है. सीलियोफोरा जिसको हम सीलिएट कहते हैं. मेस्टिक होता है फ्लैजेला वाला, मूवमेंट वाला. स्पोरोजोआ एंड मिक्सोमाइसीट इज अ स्लाइम मोल्ड्स. देन स्लाइम मोल्ड के बारे में बात करेंगे. स्लाइम मोल्ड्स आर सेप्रोफिटिक प्रोटिस्ट. these are mix of amoeba and fungi. Under suitable conditions, they form aggregation called plasmodiums. Here the term plasmodium, don't get confused with this term. Plasmodium and Plasmodium vivax and Plasmodium, which grow and spread over several feet. During unfavorable conditions, the Plasmodium differentiates and forms fruiting body, bearing spores at their tip. The spores possess true walls. This is again an important feature. Spores produce true walls. Otherwise, spores don't have true walls. Spores are dispersed by air currents. They are extremely resistant, survive for many years. Hence, they have true walls, even under adverse conditions. Then there are two types of slime molds. One is acellular and other is cellular slime molds. Acellular slime molds commonly grow as the slimy masses on the damp places rich in dead and decaying organic matter. Somatic face is diploid. Soma होता है body. Body का जो face है that is diploid है and consists of free living organic matter multinucleated protein called plasmodium. I have told you that plasmodium, they are also known as plasmodium. So plasmodiums slowly streams or glides over decaying organic matter, putting out their blunt like pseudopodia, showing amoeboid movements. They also absorb dissolved organic substances from the substratum, showing saprofic nutrition. Sapro का मीटिंग होता है rotten. Under unfavorable conditions, the plasmodium contracts and gets surrounded by thick horny. It is called sclerosium. Again, important term. Each plasmodium produces asexually by formation of several small sessile or stalked, brightly colored sporangia. Angia is the sac. Then we have a cellular slime molds. Cellular slime molds occur in the form of haploid. वो diploid में होते थे. without cell wall, naked cell, they don't have cell wall here. These cells are mixed amoeba. Another term, very important for competition, mixed amoeba. Mixed amoeba move freely with the help of amoeboid movements and foot phagotrophic or holozoic. Holo होता है complete. Slime molds possess animal-like as well as fungi-like characters. These are very important. And this is the name of scientist, that is D. Barry, classified slime molds as animal and called them mycetozoa. McBride coined the term mixomycete. Mixomycete is the scientific term for slime molds. Now we are doing a protozoan, that is animal like protist. Protist they are heterotrophs, बिल्कुल एनिमल की तरह है. पहले इनको एनिमेलिया में ही रखा जाता था, पहली फाइलम में. तो दे possess flagella for locomotion. These are about the flagellated. Flagellated they are different groups में हैं. Flagellated हैं, flagellated zoo flagellate भी कहते हैं इनको, और मेस्टिगो organism भी कहते हैं. They are generally uninuclear, occasionally multinuclear. The body is covered by the thin firm membrane known as pellicle. Nutrition holozoic, saprobic and parasitic. Then trypanosoma. Trypanosoma is a very important parasite. It is called a sleeping sickness. It was first observed by Forde in 1901. Fruits discovered at that parasite of the sleeping sickness is transmitted CC fly. This is again, ये कैरियर है इसका, ये कंपटीशन में पूछा जाता है. CC fly is with the trypanosoma. So how to retain it? T for trypanosoma and T for CC fly. Then we have amoeboid protozoans. It is amoeba. They have pseudopodia as their sarcodina में भी रखा जाता है. Amoeba, Pilomixa, Antamoeba, Radiolarians, Formularians and Harryozoans. Pilomixa is also known as giant amoeba. Here it is given, giant amoeba. Size about this. Antamoeba histolytica. It is causing amoebic dysentery. It causes amoebic dysentery. So amoebic dysentery is not caused by amoeba, but it's caused by Antamoeba histolytica. Then sporozoans. Sporozoans are endoparasite, a very important group. Sporozoans, जिसमें हमारे पास आएगा प्लाज्मोडियम इज डाइजेनेटिक. डाइजेनेटिक होता है ऐसा पैरासाइट जिसको दो होस्ट चाहिए हो. मोनोसिस्टिस फेरिटीमी भी है, फेरिटीमा को बीमारी कॉज करती है, बट प्लाज्मोडियम इज द मेन. प्लाज्मोडियम. देन सीलिएटा आर प्रोटोजोन्स लास्ट ग्रुप है, जिसमें हमारे पास पैरामीशियम आएगा लोकोमोशन और इसके लिए ड्राइविंग फूड के लिए. इट है सीलिया. दिस इज स्लिपर एनिमल क्यूल भी कहते हैं इसको, बिकॉज ये स्लिपर की तरह लगता है, पंजाबी जूती की तरह लगता है. सो दैट्स ऑल अबाउट दिस.